So I'm first starting off by dipping into my ABH Norvina Volume 4, and I am picking up the shade B2, and I'm just going to pop that in my crease. Same brush, I'm going to be picking up E4, and I'm going to also buff that into my crease. Picking up E1 on a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to use that just to buff out any harsh lines and blend all of those colors together. I do like to go back with those first two colors that we used just to give the eye some depth and dimension. For my lid shade today, I will be picking up D4.
About message and what you embody.
Did you see my face? I was shook. Now with my finger, I'm going to pick up A2 and I'm just going to put that on my lid. I love this shade. I thought it just added a lot of pretty glitter and dimension to the eyelid. So moving on to the face, I am priming my face with the Benefit Professional Hydrating Primer. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation. I am currently using the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. And before I go back in to working on the skin, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow underneath my eye. I am just using those colors that we popped in the crease. Now back to the face. For cream contour today, I use a mix of the Laura Geller 3-in-1 Cheek, Eye, and Lip Trio and the Fenty Beauty Truffle Matchsticks. I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting today. I'm just going to pick up this orange color corrector. Oh, as my phone falls down. But I'm going to pick up that orange color corrector and just kind of cover up those dark circles that I have. Well, I don't even really have dark circles. I have more of like a sunken in under eyes, so that's why I do that. And then I'm going to go over it with some concealer. I like to use the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer and also the El Makiage Fuck I'm Flawless concealer. I like to buff that out with a sponge, but if I need to get close to the eye, I will go in with the small brush. To set my face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder all over. And I'm just going to buff it in with this kabuki brush. Bronzer, I'm picking up the Il Makiage Waka Waka bronzer and just applying that everywhere that we applied that cream contour. For blush today, I am going in with the Il Makiage Bootylicious blush and also the Tarte Doll Face blush. To clean up the bronzer and blush just a little bit, I'm picking up some translucent powder and just this stiff brush and kind of just carving that cheek out. So no harsh lines are left. I'm just going to buff that in with my kabuki brush. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some Lily Lashes Triple X mascara, both to the top and to the bottom lashes. For eyelashes today, I'm going in with Lily Lashes in the style Brooklyn. To set my brows, I'm going in with the Tarte Busy Gal Brows. Moving on to lips, I am of course using my Kylie Cosmetics Ice Latte lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips. For lipstick today, I'm using MAC Viva Glam 2, and I'm also going to apply a layer of the Tartist lip paint in the shade Salty. Finish off this look, I'm going to give myself a nice bath in the Il Makiage setting spray, and I'm also going to apply some highlighter. I like to use a combination of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Omrizi highlighter and the Selena La Leyenda highlighter. And that is it. That's how I achieved this really pretty pink purple-y kind of look. I hope you babes enjoyed this. Please let me know your comments down below, and please like and subscribe. I love you guys.